Who speaks a good bit of English? Huh? That's good, because my French is fucking terrible. So I'm gonna stick with English, but I speak very quickly, so I'll speak slightly slower. Because even other people who speak English can't understand what I'm fucking saying too. So I will try to speak more clearly and slowly. Every time I play this song, I think about another song, an old song. You know that song? Goes, The night we met, I knew I needed you so. And if I had the chance, I'd never let you go. Won't you say you love me? Think you're so proud of me. Every place you go, so won't you be my little baby. Say you'll be my darling, be my baby now. Oh, 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 oh. What you think about that? I love that song so much. But we're not playing that song right now. We're playing a song from our second album called I Won't Go Home Without You.